Friends, online shopping usually means opening endless tabs, comparing reviews manually, and trying to figure out which recommendations are actually trustworthy instead of sponsored. Even with AI tools becoming more common, most platforms still behave like traditional search engines, instead of actually helping narrow down the best option. My name is Daniel, and today we are looking at wizardai, the first AI agent purpose-built for e-commerce. It's designed to make online shopping much simpler by handling product research for you and delivering recommendations personalized to your needs and preferences. Instead of manually filtering products across multiple websites, Wizard lets you describe exactly what you need. The agent then researches the entire web for you by analyzing reviews, product specifications, and trusted editorial sources in seconds. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. It's completely free to sign up. Let's jump right in. Folks, let's start with the basics. Unlike general-purpose AI chatbots, Wizard is built specifically for shopping. Instead of endlessly scrolling through listings, reviews, and sponsored recommendations, you can simply describe exactly what you're looking for. For example, you can describe your budget and preferences, use case or specific product features, and Wizard immediately starts researching the category for you. This makes the search process feel much more conversational and efficient, instead of relying on rigid filters and traditional keyword search. Guys, the platform reads customer reviews, product specifications, and trusted editorial articles in seconds to surface the top recommendations in a much more digestible format. Unlike generic AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Claude, Wizard explains why certain products match your request, rather than simply generating broad recommendations or random listings. Friends, this is also where Wizard starts feeling very different from traditional AI chatbots. So I tested the exact same shopping prompt inside ChatGPT, Gemini, and Wizard to compare the experience directly. ChatGPT and Gemini mostly returned long text responses and broad recommendations that still required manual research, tab switching, and additional filtering. Wizard, on the other hand, immediately organize products into a structured shopping workflow with visuals, pricing, reviews, product comparisons, and personalized recommendations built directly into the interface. And honestly, this is the biggest difference. Generic AI chatbots can help generate suggestions, but Wizard feels much closer to a real shopping agent that actively handles the research process for you, instead of simply generating text. The recommendations also feel much more focused because the system combines multiple research sources together instead of prioritizing sponsored placements. And the most important, the platform is also completely free to use. That alone already makes the experience very different from many traditional shopping platforms, overloaded with ads and promoted products. Mates, Wizard also partners with big brands like Best Buy and Backcountry. That means you can complete the checkout process directly inside Wizard without constantly jumping between different websites, creating new accounts, or sharing your email across multiple stores. Everything stays inside one streamlined workflow and can be completed in just a few seconds. Overall, the experience feels much closer to working with a personal shopping assistant than browsing a traditional e-commerce search engine. Guys, first I'll open Wizard and start a new search. Right away, the homepage feels very clean and straightforward. The interface itself is very simple, so you can immediately begin describing exactly what you're looking for. In this case, I'm searching for face serum that helps get rid of dark spots for under $60. It's important because most traditional shopping platforms still depend heavily on manual filters and keyword matching, while Wizard understands the actual context behind the request. Folks, after entering your prompt, Wizard narrows down the category automatically, scanning hundreds of possible products and filtering the most relevant matches based on your request. Instead of giving random listings, the platform groups recommendations in a way that makes comparing products faster and much more intuitive. Each product card gives you a quick overview of the item while keeping the browsing experience fast and easy to navigate. Normally, this kind of comparison would require opening multiple retailer pages, Reddit threads, and YouTube reviews manually. Opening a product reveals a more detailed view with expanded information, visuals, and shopping details directly inside the interface. Wizard also explains why a product was selected, highlighting specific features pulled from reviews and product data rather than only giving generic descriptions. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the content I make. If you want alternatives, Wizard can generate similar matches based on a specific product, helping you explore nearby options without starting a new search. The platform keeps the discovery process flexible, so you can quickly branch into related products that match the same style, features, or price range. And if you find something interesting but aren't ready to buy yet, you can save them for later and revisit anytime. I also tested the same workflow with skincare products, searching for the best daily face serum under $40. This is also where Wizard starts feeling much more specialized than a general-purpose AI assistant. And again, Wizard reorganized the results around those exact requirements, instead of giving generic or sponsored product listings. Friends, you can even continue narrowing things down with highly specific follow-ups, like asking for lower-priced options or products within a tighter budget range. It makes the experience feel closer to talking with a shopping assistant than using a traditional search engine. Folks, what stood out to me most here is how different the shopping workflow feels once the research process becomes conversational instead of keyword-based. After testing it, the biggest difference wasn't just speed, it was how much less manual research the workflow required compared to traditional shopping search or generic AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Claude. I also like that the platform focuses more on contextual recommendations rather than sponsored placements. The ability to refine searches, save products, explore alternatives, and continue shopping inside one workflow makes the experience feel far more streamlined. I personally think Wizard works especially well for people who spend a lot of time researching products before buying. Hopefully this video gave you a clear idea of how the platform works in practice and whether this type of AI shopping workflow fits your needs. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. It's 100% free to start shopping with Wizard. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.